Okay, so project for today, we're gonna do some maintenance on this car. Need to change the oil, then also need to change transmission oil, and we're gonna upgrade transmission cooler. So I'll show you what all that looks like. And I have my helper with me today. So Ben is my assistant. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we need to just open this drain plug and let it drain. So for the filter, I did this tool. I took a broken socket and just a piece of strap that I just tied a nut and just slipped it inside. And that's what I use to remove the filter, and it works really well because otherwise it's really tight in here to get around it, to get a good grip. Forgot to mention, a lot of times I'll just like to poke a hole inside the filter.
And here it goes.
And just let it drain. Makes a lot less mess when you're done. This car is equipped with the high pressure pump, oil pump. And it's right under this cover. So it's right over here. So we're just gonna take that out with the vacuum. Okay, so in order to take out that oil out of there, there's no other way but just suctioning it out. I'm a nurse by profession, so this is your glorified vacutainer do you have in the hospital for suctioning. It's all this is really, it's a pickle jar. I have a cap that I made 2 holes. One is connected to a vacuum, which would be a wall suctioning, and the other one we're just gonna suction Excursion trachea. Just kidding, we're just gonna take out oil from the high pressure pump. This is Prolong engine treatment. I've seen it online. Some people recommend to use it. It's supposed to be really good for oil quality and help injectors to work properly. My car has 200,000 miles, so I decided to use it with every oil change to make it last longer. Okay, I think we're ready to start the engine and see how it is. Let it run for a minute, check the oil level, and I think it's going to be done. So we have right about there. So it's good. It's a similar idea for the transmission. Gotta drain the oil and keep going from there. So let's get to it. Step 2. Okay, so I have the pan off. I changed the filter. I'm ready to put it back together. So let me just show you. So this is the inside of the transmission. That's what it looks like. It has this big screen filter that's under the oil pan. So I already changed that. Also, this is the oil pan. We cleaned it out. It has this magnet over here
That was lost for a while.
that I lost for a little while, and I didn't know where I put it, and it turned out to be it was on the bottom of the pan. And this is a reusable gasket that goes on it. So I'm ready to put it back together. Okay, so I'm ready to put this transmission cooler back in. So this is the original one that only has, I believe, 9 rows, 10 rows, and that is a Mishimoto 37 row transmission cooler. So clearly, big difference. Okay, the final step, we're gonna use Merkin 5, just standard transmission fluid from Napa. And I'm gonna fill it in. I already filled it up, but you need to check with the engine running. So I know I need to add a little bit. So we're gonna add another can, go for a drive. And hopefully that's going to be enough. Anyway, it's been fun. Been a little bit too long for today. But we got it done. We're done for today. If you like our videos, please subscribe.
And hit the bell button next to it to get notifications every time when a video comes out.
Alright. See you next time.